Yep.
We need to look into that some more.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's me. We're on the
Yeah.
last leg, folks. Last leg of the month. And as we wrap up the final few days, as I was saying before, of Child Month, we are getting some parenting tips from the pros. So these are 7 things apparently that pros wish that parents knew about discipline. And it starts with, you know, sometimes we take these, okay, I guess you're
Okay, that's where
editing,
we're going
right?
to start. Don't yell.
Apparently.
Oh, we're going the other way. We're
I
going
don't
back down.
Don't yell. You shouted at your kids?
Hmm?
Shouted at them?
I'm sure I did a couple of
You
times.
shouted at them, no?
No.
Because they're full grown.
Yeah.
And they will.
But I never hit them or
Stump you.
anything. But I'm sure. I remember drape up Camila one time.
Camila?
Which was about 9 and I was gossa. And I said, "Wham, deal." And it was about 11 o'clock she touched me and she said, "Daddy, were you going to hit me?" And I said, "No." And she turned to Kareem and says, "I told you."
Oh, gosh.
But I was, I'm
Yeah.
sure everyone does. We're
Yeah.
not supposed to do it as the pros are saying, but you've never?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah,
I have,
yeah.
but then I apologize. Simple but hard, it says. The problem is that yelling, even when it's justified, it scares your child. It scares your child, and sometimes it makes the lesson that you're trying to teach them moot. It says being yelled at children sends them into the primitive part of their brains where shame and anger live. And I can, I guess, relate to that because sometimes when you shout at them and you see the look on their face, it's obvious that they're embarrassed. If you have a sensitive child, you need to be especially careful. So they say when you start getting angry, leave the room. Walk it out. No, don't make her follow you. No, just walk out to the room.
Yeah,
Take some deep breaths for a little bit, and then you'll be able to better articulate.
yeah.
You know, you shouldn't have done that. Mommy was mad, and so on and so forth. And see,
I got mad with Kareem and cursed. Tell
no,
him one big bad word.
no.
And I'm looking for the response and him just say, "Daddy, do you have to curse?" Well, my mommy
How
tell
old was
you,
he at that time?
probably about 16 or 17.
Okay.
But I cursed and him just kind of look at me and said, "Daddy, you have to curse?" Well, I did feel about that smile when him
Yeah.
say it to me.
Can't
So
remember they live
I
what they
ended up
learning and they're so
apologizing. I don't remember
impressionable.
apologizing for yelling at them. I don't ever remember apologizing for yelling at them, but I remember apologizing that day. What's the next one?
All right, next one says, I don't know, outsource the consequences sometimes.
What does that
This
mean?
says occasionally defer to your trusty co-parent who's the universe. I don't know about that. Allowing natural consequences to occur is such a perfectly equitable system. Life lessons are better disciplinarians than we ever could be. So this is like saying leave it alone because the problem will eventually take care of itself. I don't know about that. Or you can let the child play judge. So you can say, Neville, I told you not to take the condensed milk tin out of the cupboard or out of the supermarket without the people knowing.
I
True
said
story.
never.
Now that you've taken the supermarket's milk and they did not know, which is tantamount to steeping,
You know, me not
we're
telling
going
you
to
that,
go
right?
back to the supermarket and you're going to give it back and apologize. That's what you have to do, right? No? Right. And then you will know, sake of your embarrassment, that you don't catch back into the supermarket and take out nothing that
I
don't
have
have
a
any money.
question. When these pros born? Because my mother never know nothing about this.
Your mother does everything.
My mother does. You don't even reach inside before she start beating. So them pro
Yeah.
are some young
These
people.
are very new age.
Okay.
New age.
The next one says what?
Stop worrying about looking bad in public.
So it says no escape route in sight to deal with your child privately. No worries. Stick to your guns and find solace in the fact that everyone endures his or her share of non-Instagrammable exchanges. Having an upset kid doesn't make you a terrible parent.
Have you ever been in the pharmacy or supermarket and see the child on the floor, like
Yeah.
cleaning the floor with themselves, calling them, oh,
Yeah.
yeah, and then you see the mother might slap or shout, and then somebody's like, oh, look at that parent.
Yeah.
Don't judge her until you get there.
Yeah, man.
Because it's not a good place to be.
Again, Mama probably rather stand up and say it's only you want. Okay.
Well, you know, you have parents who actually walk away and leave their kids.
Yeah.
And then the kids are like, okay.
Because sometimes they just
This is
want
not working.
attention. Yeah,
Exactly
sometimes they
right.
just want attention. And then
Exactly right. You
if
can't
you kind of
reinforce.
work with them, it get worse. If you
Exactly.
just say, all right, well, I'm nice. You think you're embarrassing me, you are embarrassing
Yeah.
yourself.
Correct.
Goodbye.
And then you walk away to a part of the supermarket and hear them, Mommy?
You hear them a run
Mommy?
come.
Okay. Accentuate the positive, very important. Discipline is sort of as something that happens after bad behavior when it really should be the other way around. So positive reinforcement. Never does something good. Say, Neville, you did something good today. Pat on your bald head. And then Neville is happy. And then Neville will try to pattern that behavior all the time because he likes the feeling that positive reinforcement brings. Right, Neville?
Yep.
Okay.
I like to be hugged. The next one is?
Lots of rules equal lots of rule breaking.
But you need rules, though.
You do.
You need rules.
I guess you can't have an army.
And you can't have a hard and fast rule that if they just move a little bit, you say, no. Well, Mama again. Mama just say, stand up right there. Well, if you go over there, you get 2 good dick. Right there, I did say.
Are you a pusher, you know? Well, you won't push anybody to madness. Do not touch mom's laptop. Don't jump on the bed. Don't do this, don't do that, don't do that. Makes a kid only really want to see what will happen if they touch the laptop or jump on the bed. So you have to be careful about how you tell them what to do. You want to make connections for them without always nagging them or without yelling. So with little kids, they say, take away the toy without saying a word. So one day them just missing up the, Mommy, you see my so-and-so? No. But no. Remember when I told you not to so-and-so? Yes, Mommy. And you so-and-so? Yes, Mommy. Okay. So when I'm ready to give you the toy, you get it back.
My brother had this thing that if they came over to the house and I'm broke up everything, him don't stop them. So my mother used to say, so him say, well, if you don't want them broke it up, move it. so mama said, so when your kids come, we must take up everything and put it. Him say, if you don't want it broke up.
I don't think that's unreasonable. Because a 2-year-old child, like we had to move a glass table out of the house because at 2 years old, that's what they're going to mash up and pull
my boy said, well, if you don't want them broke it up, move
them.
it. And if
That's
you
good
don't
advice.
move it and then broke it up, well,
That's good advice.
your
I think that's good advice.
Well, but we don't know. Suppose you're having some nice little things. Every time them come, you have to move.
That is correct. You want to keep the nice things, eh? Yeah.
I don't buy not nice till them reach about 34.
You're going to move them. Or get a whatnot like your parents did and lock it up on the top shelf.
Don't buy nothing till them reach 34.
Okay.
Make the punishment fit the crime. That is something. Oh, we're going to limit the time out, so we're not going to make the punishment fit the crime.
You have limited time.
All right,
number 6.
not a problem.
You have that there?
Yeah.
All right, go on then.
No, but no, this one here.
Okay. Number 1, we missed one.
Yeah, that's the one we are at. What is it now?
Do timeouts even work though? This lifelong
what you mean
debate
by
continues.
timeout?
Go in the corner and sit down for 5 minutes
that's
until
a
Mommy
timeout?
says you can come out.
Oh.
My daughter go in there and you just
So them thing are some new day thing. I mean, about no timeout.
Timeout is a new.
No,
That's
the
what they
name
do in the
timeout.
States.
The name timeout.
They said, come on, Jody, you're on the timeout. Go to the corner. And I hear Aaron over there, yes, somebody's find a pen and the pen will come
Never hear about
and
timeout in my life.
You never heard about
really
timeout?
Old man. It was a really old picture.